Welcome to Product Critique. If you're looking for the best Fitbit Charge 6 buy, this is the one. Today, we're taking a full hands-on look at the Fitbit Charge 6 fitness tracker smartwatch, a sleek, powerful, and feature-packed device bundled with a charging cable and cleaning cloth, and finished in the stylish obsidian black colorway. Let's dive right into design. The Fitbit Charge 6 retains that premium, compact design language we've come to love. The display is crisp and vibrant, housed in a lightweight body that sits comfortably on your wrist all day. The strap is flexible and skin-friendly, making it ideal for extended use whether you're working out or wearing it to bed. It looks smart enough for the office, the gym, or even casual weekends. Now, let's talk performance and features. The Charge 6 is built with precision in mind. It offers 24/7 heart rate monitoring with the most accurate heart rate sensor Fitbit has ever made. This means better fitness tracking, more reliable workout intensity measurements, and enhanced health insights. One of the standout features is the built-in GPS. Whether you're out running, cycling, or hiking, you can leave your phone at home and still track your routes with pinpoint accuracy. And with over 40 exercise modes, it's incredibly versatile, perfect for HIIT, yoga, strength training, and more. For wellness, Fitbit has packed in a range of health tools. There's an EDA scan app to help track your body's stress response, a daily stress management score, sleep tracking with a detailed sleep profile, and even SpO2 monitoring. The Fitbit Charge 6 doesn't just help you move more, it helps you understand your body in a deeper way. Another great addition is the integration with Google services. With Google Maps for turn-by-turn directions and Google Wallet for easy payments right from your wrist, it blends smartwatch convenience into a fitness-first device. Plus, it works seamlessly with both Android and iOS. Battery life is solid too. Up to 7 days on a single charge depending on your usage. And in this bundle, you also get a dedicated charging cable and a microfiber cleaning cloth, which makes this a fantastic value buy right out of the box. Syncing with the Fitbit app opens up a deeper dive into your data. From setting goals and tracking trends to receiving personalized insights and motivation, the ecosystem is designed to help you stay consistent and make progress. In conclusion, if you want the best Fitbit Charge 6 buy, this is it. With the combination of fitness precision, smart features, and this value-added bundle, it's a total win for anyone serious about tracking their health and wellness journey. Whether you're a casual user or a fitness enthusiast, the Charge 6 steps up with advanced tech in a sleek form factor. That's it for this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you found this video helpful. Catch you in the next one.